Hi, my name is Heinz. I present the game audio course here at Emendy, and what we are going to be looking at is how we can create a audio soundscape using music and different sound elements, and how you can implement that into your game to create a more immersive world. So over the last few years, I've worked in a lot of different spaces, worked in studio, so physically building studios, recording studios. I've done a lot of work for bands and recording, but I've also done a lot of post-production work specifically for television and also voiceover for television. So I've learned a lot from that, but I've really found that there's a nice niche little world of game audio where it's not just a corporate job that you're doing, but you're actually creating something more that cannot just be sort of something that you have to do, but it's something that you can actually enjoy and get into. And it's more immersive than just, recording something for a voiceover. So over the years of working in different audio environments, I really became passionate about teaching and helping students achieve what they want to achieve and creating audio and sound and music that they want to actually create. So I've studied music in the past. I've done a few of the Pro Tools audio courses as well as then a few Berkeley courses that I've also recently completed. So after studying, I was a freelance audio engineer. I also did some album recordings, some studio design work, and then also progressing from that into a live recording space where I used to record a lot of live broadcasts as well as productions. To me, it's really exciting when I can see students taking separate concepts that they've learned and start building it into a bigger cohesive whole where they become confident in the skills that they have gained during the course. In my spare time, I really enjoy going out into nature and recording nature sounds, so going and doing field recordings and then coming back to the studio and taking those and creating ambient music scapes using those recorded tracks. Cool, so if you're interested in anything game audio related or audio in general, please come speak to us. We'd really love to help you figure out exactly what your goals are and what you would want to achieve.